Papa John's is unique because the dough is fresh. We make the dough every day. It's got to go out. There can't be delays.
We really make our pizza, I would say, in a very artful way. The dough is everything, and that's really where we find, the foundation of better ingredients, better pizza.
We have quality standards for the dough that we have to meet, and you have to be very aware of what's going on to make sure the quality is of Papa John's standard.
Prior to MES, we had to track all of our batches on paper. There was a lot of room for human error, and the ability to analyze that data wasn't there.
To keep track of 3 years of dough production, that's a lot of paperwork. If you had to find a specific day or week, you'd have to thumb through a million pieces of paper and hope that when you did find it, it was filled out correctly. It was just stressful. It was a lot harder to review paperwork and then just harder to guarantee that the product was right.
But how can we use that data to really true up that we're manufacturing our dough in the best way possible, that we are the most consistent? How do we do that? At the end of the day, as we're rolling into MES, that's going to give us eyeballs like we've never had before.
There's a saying that if you can't measure it, you can't improve it. Papa John's wanted a relatively out-of-the-box solution, and they wanted to measure their quality. They wanted to do some downtime with a long-term goal of maybe incorporating overall equipment effectiveness. They engaged with our integration partner, Gray Matter, to design a solution for them.
Last time I checked, paper does not tell you anything. It doesn't yell at you and say, hey, by the way, you may have a problem. The system tells you that.
MES is here to watch all of the ingredients come into our center, making sure that ingredient is in spec, making sure that ingredient is going to be batched accordingly, mixed correctly, trayed correctly, labeled correctly, shipped out with the right temperatures, and delivered to the customer.
Whenever you go into MES, it does feel like I have a set of eyes in every single room. It's a much easier way to keep track of everything that we're doing at all times. It's like the lifeblood of Papa John's now. It's saved us a lot of time and a lot of ingredients.
We don't have a lot of resources at the plant level to manage, servers and all of that kind of stuff. So the cloud-based solutions seem like a practical and financially sound way to go.
Being cloud-based really helps us gain visibility into data that was once recorded on paper and only available on site. So I gained the ability to go in remotely and look at our data. We have a lot of visibility around all aspects of our operation, and that's really exciting for me.
When you're actually running and you're in a high-pressure situation, you rely on having that information. So it's been extremely valuable to have GE Vernova come train the team and set us up basically with the confidence to use the tool.
GE Vernova and Gray Matter have been super involved. They were here every day, out on the floor, beer net, hair net, smock, sitting there with their tablet making sure everything's running right.
I think we have a wonderful relationship. They've been great partners for us, and I think that the best is yet to come from what we're doing together.
This has been a pleasure for me to work on. They have a small implementation team at Papa John's, but with support from Gray Matter and from GE Vernova, they have just done amazing things.
Incorporating MES from GE Vernova has given us the ability to make better real-time decisions and improve our operations.
I get to go home knowing that everything was done properly.
It's a game changer. It's going to be a game changer for us.